Education is an important factor in our life. Education is the movement from darkness to light. Also, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is used to say that education is the powerful weapon which we can use to change the world and our future. So that, hello everyone, I am Devangi Seema Rajesh Wagadi, Dr. R.G. Bhor Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Wardha, B Farm first year student, in front of you with the subject National Education Policy 2020. According to some sources, our first national education policy was applied by the government of Indira Gandhi in 1968. Similarly, after 18 years, second national education policy was applied by the government of Rajiv Gandhi in 1986. After that, 34 years, in 2020, the third national education policy was applied by the government of Narendra Modi. According to some sources, National Education Policy 2020 is the manifesto of the elections of 2014. At that time, Smriti Irani was the HRD minister. In the presence of chairmanship of TRS Subramaniam, a committee was made, and that committee was made a report about the education system and submitted it on the 7th May 2016. The main objective of that reports are to improve the education system, to improve the education, to incredibility of the education, and the implementation of the gap in the education system. After in September, this draft was left, and no one gave the importance to this. But after that, Dr. K. Kasturi Rahangam, in the presence of his chairmanship and with the 9 members, they also made a committee and make a report and submit it in the parliament. And after that, this report, which is only made for the education policy, this report is passes as the national education policy 2020. When the new education policy is applied in the nation, it will make a lots of change in the education system and education. And what are they? So after the application of National Education Policy 2020, there are major changes are occur in the nation, in the education and in the education system. The first major change is occurs, which is the we used to say that the HRD minister, but HRD minister is changed into the Ministry of Education. Similarly, the second major change is for the student, which is the student who are studying in the primary, secondary, and higher secondary. They are considered as the 10 plus 2 system. But this system is also break down in the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 system. As we know that us previously children is admitted in the school in at the age of 6 years, but after this national education policy 2020, the children is admitted in the school in the 3 years. It means after the 3 year completion, the children was admitted in the school. Then third major change is for the undergraduate and postgraduate student. That what? So the courses like a BA, BCom, BSc, in these courses, if you are take admission and if you are complete 1 year of in that course, and if you are if you are left the course, then that course will be provide you a certificate for the 1 year. Then if you take if you are complete 2 years of that course and left, so institute will give you diploma for that course. Then in third year, if you are complete third year and after third year you left that course, so institute will give a bachelor degree also. And after the completion of degree, they will give you a bachelor degree and research certificate also. So these major changes are occur in the undergraduate courses, which is are only for the BA, BCom, and BSc. This is not applied for the professional courses like a BTech and BPharm. Then fourth major change is occurs for the teacher. It is the first major change is occur that teachers have to build his skills and improve the education quality, improve the teaching quality, and also learn a new skills. Also, the fifth major change is occur in this National Education Policy 2020 is the student have his own ABC ID. Now, what is ABC ID? So it's academic banking credit. So now what is academic banking credit? So if student is study, student is participate in the sport, student is participate in extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, then that score are stored in his ABC account, ABC ID. So thank you so much everyone to listen me, and thank you so much to give me this opportunity to speak on this subject, National Education Policy 2020. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.